Wait until I blink.
Hi guys. Oh god. Hi guys, this is Hunter and today we will be doing Master Storms Part 2. Make sure you go to the comments below and leave a like and subscribe because I only have 2 subscribers and whoa, I actually don't even know how many likes. I really don't.
And a thunderstorm.
Be quiet, Riley. Be quiet, Riley.
Thunderstorm.
La 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 la.
Hey, you don't need to be a jerk on YouTube.
Seriously, Mommy, you had to say that when I was recording.
There.
Oh, you were going, ah, 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 ah. Like there.
There. It's a little up. There we go. You're looking back down. Right?
Oh God, that was close. Mom, can you come do me a favor? Can you let the screen down, please?
A little.
No.
Up a little more.
Can you do that for me, Mom?
This is up. Up, 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 up. It's just a little.
Stop. You put it up. See? It'll just show the roof.
It's gonna be a little down, down, down.
Back up. If you want me to do it, you gotta move.
Thank you.
Yes, it's a thunderstorm. Very close. And even it's raining. And you can even hear it and see boats. Yes, I know. It's a big, it's my hand. Hey. Trim. Ow, 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 ow.
Stop putting your hands on YouTube. That's it. Go back to sleep.
Okay, y'all. Nobody's gonna be doing it in a minute.
Go back to sleep, Riley.
Move.
Get back.
I'm trying to get the fly away.
Fly is okay.
I can see the bottom of it.
I need you to get away from the camera and stop.
Riley, do what your mommy says, and oh, that was super close. That was really blinding. Oh gosh. Ooh. Get away from the camera, Riley.
I'm not.
You are near the camera.
Oops. Whoopsie.
Oh gosh.
Whoa, that was really cool. Hey, can you move your arm?
It's just a lot of whoa. That was so close.
Yeah. Why was he flooding the street?
Okay, Mom.
Yeah?
Let's kind of start thinking about getting the things ready to get in the bathtub.
he's flooding the street. The boy splashed me. Bloody street. Whoa, that was really cool.
A splash doesn't mean the streets, or a splash doesn't mean the street is flooding.
Whoa.
Yes. Whoa!
Remember, you're still recording, so you're waiting on these sounds.
I know.
That was
We only have 1 minute and 20 seconds. Whoa! But that other one where I saw the exact straight cloud to ground, that kind of one, that was so super close. Oh, this is scary. This is so scary.
I think I see a cat under your car, Mom.
No, there's a move. There is a cat. I think. So guys, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and y'all can